Hello, sir.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name's Dave, and I'm a police officer.
Dave, where are you from?
I'm from Buntingford in Hertfordshire.
It sounds cute, Buntingford.
It's lovely.
And have you brought anyone with you?
I've brought a friend along. Oh, it's a yes from me. Oh. Finn is a 9-year-old German Shepherd. He's been my best friend since he was a puppy. I live with my wife, Gemma, but I spend more time with Finn than with my family. Finn has a bit of a cheeky character. He knows how to get exactly what he wants from me. He knows how to pull all my bells and whistles. He's one very special dog. He's got a steak ready at home waiting for him if we get the 4 yeses, and so have I. To be fair, even if we don't get the 4 yeses, he's my boy and I love him to bits, so he's still going to get that steak.
I am just going to let you get on with it because we like surprises. Good luck.
Now, we all think our dogs are magical, but Finn truly is, and for more than one reason. David, I'd like you to think of an object and write that word down. Don't show me. Have you done that?
Yes.
Hold it up to your chest. And come and join us at the front of the stage. In a minute, I'm going to close my eyes. And when I do, I want you to show Finn the word. Show him the word. Can you please return to your seat? Now, David, there's no possible way I could know what word you've picked.
No.
Finn, what was that word? David, the word is... table. Hold that up high so everyone can see.
Oh my God.
Now everybody thinks that their dog is amazing, but Finn truly is. Simon, can you come and join us on stage?
Yes.
A big round of applause, please, for Simon. Simon, I want you to kneel down and face Finn. For the last 2 weeks, we've been asking friends to think of a word that best describes Finn. We've got companion, brave, amazing, incredible, fast. Simon, can you hold your left hand like that? Now, I want you to look into Finn's eyes. Keep looking into Finn's eyes. And with your right thumb, I want you to open a page. Have a peek at that word and remember it. And Simon, for the first time, can you tell us what that word was?
Heroic.
Now, there's no possible way I could know what word you were going to pick.
No.
But Finn did. Because before we came here this evening, Finn had a word engraved on the tag on his collar. Now, Simon, can you please have a look at the tag on Finn's collar and read out loud the word that's there?
Heroic.
Heroic!
That was pretty incredible. That's never happened on any show.
This felt really special, very emotive, and perfect for Britain's Got Talent. So thank you very much for coming.
What an incredible story you told there. We have to thank you for the job that you both do. Putting your life on the line to keep us safe. Thank you. So thank you so much. It was really, really moving.
Since that incident has happened, Finn has been the face for a campaign called Finn's Law, which looks to bring protections in for service animals. But the knock-on from our campaign is that the government have promised to increase penalties for all animal cruelty. So our campaign is doing really well.
A dog will literally give up its life for you. And for anyone who has been cruel to an animal or a dog, just remember, if you'd have treated him well, they would have put their lives up ahead of you. Can I please give you your first yes?
I'm saying yes. It's a yes from me.
You have 4 yeses.